Hello and welcome to Happy Dish. My name is Dana, and today, because it's Friday, I have a simple dessert for you, but a very delicious one and simple to prepare. I'm going to start with the caramel. Okay, caramel, you heard good. I'm going to use for this one 180 grams of sugar, and I'm going to add over it a pinch of salt. I have here 50 milliliters of water and also a pinch of citric acid. I'm going to put this on the stove until the sugar will dissolve and it will caramelize. I will not stir in it, just keep it on the low fire without burning it. Now for the custard, I need 4 eggs. I need sugar 60 grams, 8 grams of vanilla sugar, 400 milliliters of milk, the zest and the juice from an orange, and I'm going to use about 100 milliliters of orange juice in this. Really simple. I'm going to put all the eggs in one pot, egg whites and egg yolks as well, and I'm going to start using a whisk and just mix them up really good with vanilla sugar and the rest of the sugar. Combine them really well. The sugar will start dissolving and the custard will have a nice color. Grate the orange zest for more flavor and also orange juice over this. Squeeze that orange really good and add milk. Put this on the stove as well on low fire. Whisk continue until it will start thicken up. So caramel is already cooked. See how nice it looks, beautiful color. I'm going to pour it in a loaf tin. I have here a big loaf tin, and I'm going to pour this hot caramel, so be careful, don't touch it with your fingers. It will solidify almost instantly, so leave it aside. So this is how the custard look like. I'm going to leave it aside until I'm going to be ready with the sponge. A really soft sponge cake, for which I'm going to use 2 eggs, 8 grams of vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 50 grams of flour, all-purpose one, 50 grams of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil or vegetable oil, and also a teaspoon of baking powder. I separated the eggs. Over egg whites, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Over the egg yolks, I'm going to put a tablespoon of sunflower oil, and I'm going to start mixing egg whites with powdered sugar, vanilla sugar. I will add, when the sugar is almost dissolved, egg yolks with the oil, baking powder, because I need this cake to bake nicely, cornstarch, and was left just flour. I'm not going to mix the flour with the mixer. I'm going to use just one whisk to incorporate that with a slower movement, folding movement, without mixing it too much. Now over the solidified caramel, I will add the cream, custard cream that I made earlier. Seems a bit separated, but that's fine. I love the taste of lemon juice, So baked in the oven, that custard will be amazing, creamy and tasty and yummy. And on top of the cream, now I'm spooning the batter for the sponge cake. Try not to mix it too much or move it too much from the place. Cover all the tin with the batter using a spatula or a spoon, it's up to you. Level it nicely. Put the loaf tin in another bigger tin and fill the bigger tin with water halfway through. And I'm going to bake this cake in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. So on a really low temperature, I will bake this cake until it will look like this. I did the toothpick test. You should let it cool down completely. I didn't do that. I turned it on a plate upside down right away. So look how nice that caramel that is dripping on the sides here looks like. And ta-da! This is the cake. Delicious. You need to let this cool down completely in the fridge before serving it. It's simple, it's flavorful, delicious, and I'm sure that your family and friends will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time. Don't forget to find reasons to smile. Bye bye.